Hello guys, there are two ways to enable or disable taskbar thumbnail in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And here are in this video how to enable or how to disable taskbar thumbnail. The first method is go to settings, under system settings, from the right pane go to about, here choose advanced system settings. Here from the top menu bar go to advanced tab, under performance choose settings, and here enable the option enable pick. Make the check against option enable pick if you want to enable, otherwise disable. Other option is show thumbnails instead of icons. If you want to disable it, uncheck it. If you want to enable taskbar thumbnail, then enable it and finally click on apply and then OK button to save the changes. The second method is through local group policy editor. Open group policy editor, type gpedit.msc in Windows search, open it. Here go to the path, under computer configuration, under user configuration go to administrative templates and select taskbar, start menu and taskbar. Thereafter go to right side, here you will find the option turn off taskbar thumbnail. Double click on it, and if you want to enable it, choose enabled, otherwise disabled and apply and then OK button. That's all.